Hi, my name is John Paul, and I'm the parts manager here at Countryside Chrysler. And today, we're going to be talking to you about cabin air filters. Air filters, those things that we don't think about, but things that play a big part in our lives. Today, we'll be talking about cabin air filters. These filters are found in most earlier model vehicles and are used to keep the cabin free of pollutions. Some even have special filters specifically for allergies. Typically, you need to replace your filters once every 9,000 kilometers to 24,000 kilometers. The actual time frame can change depending on your location. In urban settings or those that have a lot of pollution, the mileage may be lower. Whereas in the county or places with lower pollution, the mileage can be longer. But how will you know if you need to change your filter? Two big indicators include noise and smell. If when your fan is turned all the way up and all you get is a noise without a lot of change, your filter might be full. On the other hand, maybe there is a persistent bad smell. This could also indicate I need to change your filter. How do you do this? First, find the filter, usually accessed through the glove box or under the dashboard. Next, remove the filter and replace it with a new one. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always bring it to Countryside Chrysler, or our technicians will check and replace your filter quickly. Also, thank you for watching.